Anyways, hi guys, we're at Blakedown level crossing in Worcester with Will, Spike and Callow. Going off early.
By the way, this is Blakedown level crossing with Spike the Frog, Callow 5 and Will Scriven.
There we go. Now the time is 19:44 on Saturday the 20th of June 2015, and this is for our 1949 to Sierra 82 London Minster from Kidderminster to Stratford upon Avon. Unless we're malfunctioning. She can. Crossings do that, because she's not due until 49.
Yeah. When that went new to Daventry, went past 2 weeks ago, it took longer than 3 seconds for the barriers to go up. It doesn't normally do that. Because I actually remember when the barriers stayed down for like a minute and then it went back up.
Oh yeah.
Which I found rather strange.
Oh sure, it sometimes does that.
Label up there. Should have been put on that black bit. Which is what I'm doing nowadays, as it used to be like down the silver corner.
And that, as Will said, that down to there. Here she comes. Please be a 2-carriager or 4-carriager or not treble 3. Ooh, there goes.
Oh, there we go.
Pussycat, you are saved.
This is
3-carriager. Please, 333. Now I said that's probably going to be 333. We've got 1
it's
7.
No, it's not a trip.
172 335.
172
To
335.
Stratford upon Avon.
Stratford upon Avon.
From Kidderminster to Stratford.
Quite early. 172 335 from Kidderminster to Stratford upon Avon, and there we go.
Thursday.
Stratford upon Avon. One 172 335. At least got the front of her this time. Junction by Birmingham New Snow Hill. And thanks guys, I'll see you in next time's videos.